Don't do that now. I have to video you. Are you done now then? Then who's gonna do this one then? You want me to call Ate Dong? Chriselle! Tawag ka! Can you play with her? You'll be the teacher. Do your homework now. Gilana, stop that. What else, anak? That's suspicious. What else you use? Chriselle? Chriselle? Julene, where's Ate Dong? Ha? Where's Ate Dong? Gilana, don't. Chriselle? Where's Dong? Ano mo na yung box? I-tape mo na daw, sabi ni mother. Eh, sabi niya ikaw daw papatape ko kay Jeff, sabi niya ikaw daw mag-tape. Andito yung tape. Andun na sa likod. Gilana, where's your scissor here? No. You have the heart? Yan na munang mataas. About, yan malaki. Yan daw. Your F is baliktad, anak. So it's opposite. Okay, your turn now, Gilana. Pwede niya pa yan mo na sulatan na niya. Okay, you can write na. Later, okay. Lam, push it, Gilana, push it. Get the scissor, anak. Oh, shoot. It's okay. Scissor, go get the scissor, anak. I think, can you check if Gilana had the scissors here? She had some here. Sabi mo, I don't know. Again? Where did she learn the F thingy? Okay. Oh, wow. Why that razor doesn't work? It does not? What happened? You guys not using it? Oh, really?